In this video, I'm going to show you how to make color chart in Salesforce. So the first thing that you'll need to do is go over to the quick settings on the top right over here, or to the app launcher rather. Click on the app launcher and scroll down to the bottom, and here you will find opportunities. So click on opportunities and just close this. And all you need to do next is make sure that your opportunities is set to all opportunities. Now, next thing that you'll need to do is click on the box next to opportunity name. So what this does is it highlights all of your opportunities, and over to the right side over here, you will see charts. And all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom until you find settings, which is the little gear icon right here. Click on that gear icon and click on new chart. Now we can name this chart as color chart, for example, and the chart type would be donut chart. So make sure to set to your preferred types for the aggregate. So for example, I'll use count, and for the aggregate field, I can choose amount. Now, once you've done that, just click on save, and it will open up a new chart for you. So it depends on how much you have here. So it will, if you have multiple opportunities, it will show you multiple opportunities. But for me, I only have 3 4 1 opportunities, and that's about it. That's how to make color chart in Salesforce. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.